We're going to see just how long it takes to load in a bunch of transactions, process them, and come up with our reports. Our income statement, which is now blank, our equity statement, now blank, and master statement, now blank. We do have our account chart all set up. We have our two autofill charts all set up. And we do have our transition data in place on the transition data sheet. That's our starting balances for things like equity, cash, and inventory, and our starting balance and depreciation info for our assets. So we start on the file name import sheet. We're going to find those receipts, select all, copy. I have 75 of them. Paste. I go to Admin Tools, File Name Import Explode. It's going to run through each file name and convert it into an entry that we can use on the transaction sheet. That step is done. Now we're going to copy it to Transactions. Here we go. And we have everything except our account allocation. So we're going to go to Autofill Account. It's going to run through each entry. Use our autofill charts to fill it in. Autofill Method Account. That's great. I'm going to scroll to the bottom and do an examination on a blank cell to make sure that we got everything. Looks like we're all set. Reports, generate all reports. This is going to loop through each transaction and sum all the accounts. Here we go. Let me scroll to the top. Here we go. We have an equity account. Starting balance, debit and credit in the current period, and the ending balance. Same for draw deposit, cash, inventory. This is our property, our depreciable assets. AP, that's accounts payable. Cost, expense, and our net debit and credit are matching, so we're good here. Here's our equity statement. We have start, funds added, net income, funds withdrawn, ending equity, and our income statement. So total revenue, total expense with all the breakdowns, total cost with the breakdowns, and our net income. So in just a few moments we were able to import and completely process 75 transactions.